will be of higher quality. So, good morning. This is Ginny and Erin with DS Tech, and we're going to be sharing some productivity tips from Outlook. So, just a couple things that I use personally, and Erin can chime in to organize my tasks using Outlook. So, let me share my screen, and hopefully it shares faster than it did a while ago. Oops.
There it goes.
That's not the right screen. Oh, wait. Do you see my inbox?
I do.
Okay, good. I'm actually using at the top of your Outlook inbox, you'll notice that there's focused and other. And I'm using other because I don't want to share all of our internal stuff with you guys. I love ya, but we're just going to share some of the stuff that I don't, a lot of junk actually. So here's what I do. It's like first thing in the morning, I go through I organize my tasks. And let's say this quick question from Robin Robbins is requesting a quote. So what I would do is I would open it, or I could just have it selected. If I go back a screen here, see how it's blue? That means it's selected. And I would categorize it as blue because I'm going to just use blue as all of my quote tasks. So let me mark a couple of them as blue, like this one, blue. And what's cool is when I'm done categorizing, I've gone through it and I've deleted all the junk, which I will do after we're done here. I'll delete a lot of these messages because a lot of them is junk. So if I click the blue category, it'll show me these three things that I need to do. And then I can, uncategorize them, like this one. I can uncheck it and it won't be categorized anymore, and then I can delete it or file it or whatever. So now I'm going to go to the top of the screen where it says blue category. I'm going to hit the little back arrow to go back to my inbox so I can show you. I can hit another category, green, and do that. So that's how I use my Outlook inbox, how I organize it by task. Now, another thing you can do, I'm going to select that same message, is I can rename these categories. So if I hit manage categories, I could make, like this pink one, I made it Q because for questions. I mean, honestly, I'm a color person, so I just use like blue for quotes and green for orders and stuff like that. So I see the color and I think task. But if you wanted to rename these, you can. Or you can even create a category. How about we do that? Let's say I want
to-dos. Maybe you want a category that are to-dos.
Sure. I'll make it dark green.
Sure.
To-dos. So there you go. Now I can mark off all my to-dos and just have those on my screen when I'm ready to work on them. Pretty cool, right?
Definitely cool.
The other thing I do is I file stuff. So when you hit the little move to button at the top of your screen, you can move it to whatever folders you already have, or of course I can create a new folder and I can call it to-dos. So, and that moved it over to that folder. So now I'll have it for future reference. I don't delete a lot of emails because you never know when you got to look for something. Hey, Erin?
Right. And on that similar note on the folders, is one of the practices that I've been doing over the years is I always create a new folder for any different client. So that way I can save or document any of our conversations over time or even over years. And it's a great asset to be able to go back on those and check on, maybe what we've done or the business we've done together, things like that.
Awesome. So that was all I was going to share today. So I'm going to stop my share here and bring our beautiful faces back. So if you have any questions, drop questions below this video, and maybe it'll be something in one of our future live streams. We're going to do these every Thursday, we think. Right, Aaron?
Yes, we are.
Yeah. So also, if you are a home business, not a home business, I'm sorry, a business owner, a business owner, go to our website and sign up for your free security assessment. I don't believe that screen is quite ready. I think it just says sign up for your free assessment right now, but eventually it'll say that. But if you sign up in there and just say what you need, we'll get you that security assessment. And Aaron has a little thing to share too.
I do have a real quick call to action. So starting soon in the near future, DS Tech is going to embark on our 4th year of nonprofit bowling in the local nonprofit bowling league here in Escanaba. And each year we bowl for a local nonprofit, and at the end of the season, any proceeds that we do win are then donated to that nonprofit. Over the previous 3 years, we've been very fortunate to donate over $1,300 to our local nonprofit community. So this year, we are looking for a nonprofit to donate towards. I know there's been a lot of change over the last 6-8 months, and we are looking for a local nonprofit who may have need for a little bit of help towards completing their goals and missions this year. So if you have anybody in mind, or if you know of a nonprofit that could use a little bit of help, certainly have them reach out to DS Tech and inquire about our nonprofit bowling league, and we would be more than happy to bowl to our best extent to get them a little additional capital for this upcoming year. So thank you.
Who did we make a donation to last year?
Over the past 3 years, we've donated to the Community Foundation. We've donated to the Early Childhood Program at Community Action Agency. And then last year we donated to the YMCA's, their new facility in the Wells complex. So.
Cool. Cool. And I think it was a pretty significant donation, eh?
Yeah, it was. Yeah. It's always a lot of fun, and it always feels good to give it back. Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. All right. Okay. Well, make it a great day, everybody, and we'll see you next time. Drop your questions and make sure you visit our Facebook or our website and say hi, whatever. So we'll catch you next time.
Yep. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming, Aaron.
You're welcome. Have a good day.